Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to really quickly show you how I make my snail napkin rings at the shows. So I do all the bending beforehand at the show, and this is the inside of the fork. So normally you eat like this, that ends up being on bottom. Take that guy, take your outside tine, and we're just going to bend it right around. We'll do the next one. Giving yourself a little bit of slack in here. A little bit more room. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it on camera. Okay, so now we have that part. I'm going to take a pair of pliers, go in between this section and the foot. So you end up one here and one up in the front. Now we put this back on. We're just going to bend it right up and then over, up, and then over again. Now we have our snail shape. So we take these pliers, and I like to go backwards with my eyes. And get that flipped around. Once we do that, take our pliers and we're just grabbing it like this and turning it sideways. Now he's got eyes. If you have little gaps, you can just touch it on your anvil or block. So the last part is getting the feet. See, because right now it really rocks. So you take your flat pliers again, and where the bow is, that's where you want to start. So I'm gonna get right in here, and I'm kind of offset. So the fork tine is kind of coming out the back here. Just gonna bend that down a little bit. Same thing with the other side. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. Turned out to be a beautiful day for us. And then you just tweak with the feet. All the rings are sizable, so if you find one you like, we can make it fit. Just adjusting this just enough. Good morning. And there we go. We got a nice snail that sits flat. And that's it. Whenever you're doing it, it gets to be like second nature. We're at 3 minutes and 29 seconds right now with the snail already done, and I talked my way through it. So just a couple of minutes, you can have these done pretty quick. Just metal work done at home, the rest of you can do at the shows. So quick video. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you check out our social media accounts and follow us. You'll see where we're at and what we're doing. Have a good day.